What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's topic is actually a very interesting one. Almost everyone you know, and maybe even yourself, would rather just take your car over to a mechanic and get the work that the car needs done and over with without having to worry about it too much. Terrible idea. It might seem like it makes perfect sense, but today I will actually tell you why everyone needs to learn how to fix their own cars. Listen, I'm not saying you should go out there and take out your engine and replace it if it fails. No, that is definitely not what I'm saying. These are very labor-intensive jobs, and if you don't really know what you're doing yet, then just leave these kind of jobs for the pros. However, you do need to know how to do the basic things on your car. Let me give you 5 reasons as to why you need to learn how to fix your own car. Okay, so first things first, learning how to fix your own car doesn't just teach you an important skill in life that you'll need later on, but it teaches you how to get your hands dirty so that way you're not afraid to try new things. Knowledge is power.
More power, baby! More power, baby! More power, baby!
One thing everyone needs to know is that working on cars is not that hard. When working on cars, it's actually very hard to mess things up, especially when you're doing the basic maintenance on your car. Get that fear and toss it over into the garbage. The second thing, this one is a no-brainer. You'll save yourself a ton of money, straight up moolah, over the span of you owning the car. More money equals less problem. Change my mind. By learning how to work on your own car, even those times when you just don't want to do the work yourself and rather just take it to a mechanic because you don't have time, they won't try to hustle you because you know what you're talking about. Going into a mechanic blind without really knowing what's going on is a very, very dangerous thing, and it could get very, very costly. It is sad to say, but a lot of mechanics will toss in a bunch of stuff at you that you don't actually need just to bring that bill price up. Just simply buy yourself a $30 scanner so that way you can pull up all the codes you need and go in there knowing at least what's wrong with the car before just telling them to go all Hail Mary on the car. Whenever I take my car to the mechanic, I run my car through the scanner to pull up all the codes that are causing the problem, just to kind of have an idea of what it could be. And then I go to the mechanic, whether it's a new one or someone I trust, and I'm like, hey, okay, so these are the codes of the cars thrown out, and I think it might be this or this. Or if there's no codes, I try to inspect the car by hearing what it does or feeling what it's doing, and take it to the mechanic. I'm like, okay, so there's a clunk on the
front passenger
side, or there's a rattle, I think it might be this or this. So at least I give them an idea to make it seem like I know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, just do this. It'll make you seem like you know what you're talking about. And for the most part, I actually do know what I'm talking about. I just don't have the time to do the work myself. If you do get the $30 scanner, you'll actually be able to link it up to your phone and your car, and it'll show you all the information that you basically need, and it'll pull up all the codes so that way you can start diagnosing the problem and trying to figure it out yourself. It's that simple. Number 4, back again to the point about oh yeah, more money. What's one reason people are scared to buy a BMW, a Mercedes, an Audi, or just a more luxurious car? Yes, you're right. It's because people are terrified about the maintenance costs because they've always been told that they're not very reliable, they're super hard to maintain and super expensive to maintain. They break down all the time. However, it's been about a year now since you've watched this amazing video. Go smash that subscribe button. You've now saved yourself thousands of dollars by not taking your car to the mechanic. You've learned how to fix your car. You've learned what causes certain types of problems, and you kind of have an idea of how to go about diagnosing issues that come up on your car. That extra money you saved, you can actually take it and put it towards buying a more luxurious car. And no, I'm not saying go out and lease or finance a new one, but what I'm saying is find a good used one that will save you already a ton of money because the car depreciated at that point, that's been well maintained, 1,000 times better than your good old Civic. And I can confirm right now, the maintenance on these cars right here are not that much different than your normal cars. It might be a tad bit more frequent and it might be a tad bit more expensive, but you're an experienced mechanic now, baby. Okay, so you don't believe me that the maintenance isn't that much different than your normal car. So hear me out. Let me tell you this quick story. So the 525 I have in the garage needed a bunch of work to pass inspection. It literally had all the lights on the dash you can think of on the dash. Okay, it was like a Christmas tree glowing at night. So I took it to the mechanic and asked him to give me a quote on what I would need to pay him so he can fix all the problems that I have with the car. And about a couple hours later, he inspects the car and comes back to me and tells me that the car needs about $2,200 in parts and labor to fix the car. And the first thing that came to my mind,
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
but seriously though, I went on to Rock Auto and I bought all the parts that he listed, which cost me about $220 to buy all the parts, and even bought more parts than he said I needed. Because one sway bar link on one side needed to be replaced, I figured why not just buy 2? So I did, and I ended up fixing the car in a day, and I saved myself $2,000 in one day. I'm now rich. I just sold my BMW, and I just bought myself a Lamborghini. Alright guys, so this is the new Lamborghini I just bought. I actually put a gold wrap on it so it looks amazing, but there's one problem though, that I can't drive it. I have to push the car. So look. If you tell me that's not enough of a reason to learn how to fix your own car, then you must just be rolling in money, and this video is simply just not for you. Who wouldn't want to save $2,000? Plus, also fixing your own car, you can ensure that you're buying all the quality parts. And if you're not sure how to fix something, literally 99.9% of the problems that you're going to come across while you're trying to fix your car, there's going to be a video showing you how to fix it step by step here on YouTube. So there's no reason why you shouldn't attempt at least to try to fix something yourself on your car. Okay, so last but not least, number 5, you'll form a bond with your car, and the satisfaction that you'll get from fixing something yourself after you've learned how to do it is just simply unmatched. There won't be a squeak, a clunk, or a rattle of which you won't be able to pinpoint the cause of the problem. Okay, and this one's just a bonus tip for you guys. If all that wasn't enough for you, your friends are gonna love you, and they're always gonna be coming to you for advice on cars, whether they want to fix something or buy a new car. If you know how to work on cars, your friends are going to love you. They're gonna always come to you for advice on how to fix their car, or if they want to buy a new car, they'll come ask you for advice. They'll be mystified of your mastery of mechanics, astonished by your astute appreciation of the automobile. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys learned something new and actually will take it upon yourself to learn how to fix your own car. And when your car needs an oil change, just go out there and try to do it. I'll be making a video soon on how to actually change your oil and do all the basic maintenance on your car, so that way you guys can actually try it out for the first time. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to go down there and click the subscribe button. Just smash that subscribe button, because it really does help me out a lot. And Harvard is actually doing a study on why you should go down there and click the subscribe button. So it's Harvard. Just do it. But seriously though, I hope you took away from this video is that you need to go out there and learn how to fix your car by yourself, because trust me, it will change your life. It's going to save you a lot of money, it's going to allow you to buy nicer cars, and it's going to teach you a lot of skills you previously didn't have. And like I said, knowledge is power. And I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me on the previous videos, and hopefully you guys are going to stick around for more videos to come. So I'll see you guys in the next video.